This is Maddie with Brinkley RV. Today we're in our Model G, here to show you our brand new Gen 3 3-season patio doors. So a couple cool features that we've got packed in for you. We've got a tinted glass here that's going to give you extra privacy. We've got adjustable glass panes with a screen behind it, so it's going to give you airflow where you need it, or if you just want to enjoy the breeze outside. An upgraded door sweep at the bottom. It's going to help protect you from the elements. We've got a door lock at the bottom too, in addition to your latch on the top. So that's going to be an upgrade that's going to give you a little bit more structure and stability if you got pets or kids that might lean against the door. Now for the actual operation here, if you pull this latch, you do still get the full width of your garage door. And notice that the door doesn't just come swinging back. Magnets on both sides of the door. It's going to magnetize to the patio rails. So the nice wide entryway is going to give you the perfect space to bring in all of your toys on travel day. Or if you are on your campsite, got all your toys out and about, you can just open it up, bring the outside in, and really connect the two spaces.